crews are ripping out the floors where little children were playing just days ago.
It was coming out of here, it was coming out of here.
Julie Younger has owned the Kidport Child Care Center for 25 years, but wasn't prepared to suddenly see sewage pouring in.
Within a minute, I believe it was coming out of every drain, and we were just flooding up everywhere. My heart is breaking. I don't know how else to say it.
With 50 children enrolled here, families are now scrambling to find alternatives.
What am I going to do? I'm a full-time student with 2 kids and 2 jobs. Like, yeah, it's hard.
City officials searched the sewer line for the cause and found something below the street away from the center.
Brought out a stainless steel coupling that was 4 or 5 pounds in weight.
The type perhaps used in manufacturing. They're investigating how it got into the sewer line. As for the repairs, the city is denying responsibility, and Younger's insurance will only pay for part of it.
All I could do is say I'm going to lose everything.
Eventually, the cleanup work here will be complete. The building will be restored. But the concern is that it may not happen in time to save the business.
I need to be up and running, or everything I've done for the last 25 years is basically over.
She's hoping to repair and reopen before it's too late. In Port Washington, I'm Kent Wainscott, WISN 12 News.
The daycare owner says she may appeal the city's decision to deny her claim or consider legal action if another business is found to be responsible for the metal object in the sewer line causing that backup.